How to create a personalized avatar on Reddit. Did you know that you can personalize your avatar on the Reddit app? Open the Reddit app. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the Reddit icon. Go to the Edit option. Here, you can change the appearance of your Reddit avatar. First up is Outfit. In the top section, you can choose from various upper garments. Then, in the bottom section, select one of the numerous lower outfit options. After the outfit, it's time for hair. The hair section offers different male and female hairstyles. Next is the face option, where you choose the facial appearance. Then, choose the eye shape. After the outfit and face, select the skin color in the body section. I will choose a white color. For males, there are different beard options in the facial hair section. I will choose mustaches. In the hats section, you can add a hat or some jewelry. I will add a blue helmet. You can also choose what will be in the right and left hand of the avatar. I'll leave the left hand empty. After finishing the avatar customization, click Save to save the changes. Confirm by clicking Confirm. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Share your impressions in the comments and follow for more useful videos.